I've got this on video. You can watch the water running out of the circuit breaker box right now. Pouring down the circuit breaker box. You see the water running down? You can see it dribbling out. Pouring down the circuit breaker box. There's a puddle out there. It's still crawling across the hallway. There's all the water pouring out of the laundry room. You see it down the wall back there. It's still flooding out over here, pouring out. This is all filled. Halfway into the hallway now. You can see it still filling up. Seabourn Cove Phase 1.